y'all. Hey, this is our first mukbang of 2020. Our first mukbang on this channel. We did have another channel, but I can't remember the stuff to get into it. So yeah, we're just eating pizza. I hope y'all can see it, y'all. My setup is messed up, y'all already know. We're just eating pizza and french fries. Hold on, in pizza. She got juice. I got cranberry juice. This is only cranberry juice, nothing else. Crushed red pepper. Girl, you eat your food, start eating the juice, drinking the juice. Eat your food.
Oh, give me that.
It got red pepper now. Here you go, piece right here.
That. What's that?
Pepper?
Huh?
Pepper?
Huh?
It's crushed red pepper.
Give me pepper on my shirt.
Yeah, I don't know if y'all eat all this pizza. I don't even know if y'all can see. I don't even know if y'all can see.
Bah!
I just put it on some aluminum foil, y'all, so it won't be nothing messy.
Ew. Ew.
I gotta get Fab a booster seat so she could be a little bit higher up to the table. I was gonna use her hair chair, but she don't want to sit in it, so. Girl, how you doing that?
I need to this.
I'm gonna eat this piece. I thought you was hungry. I don't know why she's doing this, y'all. She loves pizza. Sometimes I eat my stuff and sometimes I don't. What's wrong?
My mouth's juicy.
Your mouth what?
No, no, no.
You're supposed to be eating. I saved small pieces for you. That's what you make the phone call.
Huh?
You gonna make the phone call.
Huh? Huh?
Yeah, I'm recording on my phone because my camera is not charged. I thought I was charging it. I wasn't. So fast. Y'all know what? It's a net, y'all. What are you supposed to be eating?
I want to see one.
Okay, y'all, Forever don't want to act right, y'all. She act like she don't want to eat when she just told me she was starving. Well, not starving, but she said she was so hungry. I guess I'm eating all this by myself.
Is she Forever? Is she Forever?
Mm-hmm.
Is she
You don't
Forever?
want to eat your food?
I don't remember.
Mm-hmm.
My juice. Yes, I don't hold it. I gotta pull my juice. Bye, bye, bye.
I thought you wanted to eat.
Huh?
I thought you wanted to eat. Yeah, sometimes I wait to give her juice, especially this time, but
Hey, y'all. First, eat the pizza.
What else? What else?
Pizza.
What else you gotta do? Sometimes I don't eat my crust. I think I said, did I say it? I don't know. Hey! That ain't funny. You don't be doing that.
Ooh.
Why you acting up? Y'all know every time me and her do a video together, it be a mess. She be acting up. She is a real actor, like, for real. The character. Look at him.
Is he fell?
You gotta sit down so I can see you.
Huh?
You gotta sit down so I can see you.
I got food.
You got food?
I got food on my face.
Y'all see how she acting? Every time.
Mommy, I'm pick her up.
Now she wanna sit on my lap and eat. You gonna eat?
Huh?
You gonna eat?
I'm little lap.
I'm getting full.
I'm get full.
You ain't even eat nothing.
I get full.
But you didn't even eat nothing. You got hot stuff on there.
Huh?
You got hot stuff on there.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Is that?
Mm-hmm.
Give me
Okay. Is it hot? You showing me a piece of girl? Why don't you get your own pieces? Mom life. This is my life. Every time we eat, she do this. She want to eat my food, and we have the same exact thing. Every time. Every time, y'all. She wants to eat my food. Excuse me. I'm full.
I'm full.
You full, fella?
Well,
So yeah, y'all, I guess we're gonna wrap this up. This was just a quick, short little mukbang of us eating pizza and french fries.
bye-bye.
Fella, you like doing mukbang?
Yeah.
You wanna do another one?
Huh?
You wanna do another one? Okay.
Yes.
So, and if anybody asks what happened to her face, she fell out the bed. But she's fine. She's fine.
It's fine. I'm fine.
You fine? You feeling better? But yeah, y'all. I guess we're going to wrap this up. Because I'm getting full.
I'm getting
And it's
full.
like, you full? She's a mess, y'all. My baby is a mess. But anyways, y'all.
I'm full.
You full? Say like, subscribe, share,
Yeah.
leave us a comment,
Comment.
Y'all heard her. Like, share, subscribe, leave us a comment. So we will see you guys later.
Here I stay.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, y'all. So we gonna go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, peace.